Okay, welcome back. And today, Trade with Crazii version 10.4 review of the 29th May DAX. Okay, so let's look at the DAX market right now. Now, I realize that more and more of you guys are starting to do DAX. Yes, I see some of your screenshot show DAX trading. Now, I really think that you should really trade DAX. Okay, because DAX is very, very directional. And you only need to trade a few hours and you're done for the day. I mean, we talk about gold, you whole day buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I mean, some people make very good money. But if you ask me, if you put the same concentration on DAX, is good enough. All right. And I think for most of us, we are busy in the morning because of all the meetings and stuff. In the afternoon, maybe a bit more lax. You should really consider doing DAX. Okay. But then this is my little thing for you. You make your own decision. Okay. All right, let's look at DAX right now. Let's look at DAX yesterday first. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Okay, so yesterday DAX, we have a pull down, okay, a pull off from the market itself. Let's take a look what happened to DAX. Let me just refresh the screen first. Okay, so first of all, DAX yesterday opening price was 24,310. It tried to go up to pivot one, but it didn't really happen. And then after that, it broke below MLP. And once it broke MLP, the MLP was stacked basically together with the pivot two, right? So once the market broke pivot two, that's it. The selling come in immediately. Now, there was a KCL at 24,013, which the market closed below. So actually now give me a bit of information that what to expect for DAX shortly, yeah? Another thing is that there is a 4 diamond here. We should draw a line, which is the same number here. And that is also the reason why I think DAX to watch today. So in short right now, based on this 24,013, I can tell you what happened today. Later on, if DAX can recover above 24,013, DAX will be a buy. Okay, because that means it hit the KCL, it also hit the 4 diamond, right? So watch out for 24,013. So if the market basically goes above this number, the market should be going up. But of course, if the market stays below this number, then it should be going down. So watch out for 24,013 plus the OP of today. Okay. All right, let's review now what happened for today. Yesterday. Now, one thing is that I tell you before, once the market goes below OP and below pivot two, right? No matter what you tell me, it's always a sell. Okay, so we're going to do step by step on how we should trade DAX yesterday. Okay, step by step, yeah? Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's start with the morning session. Now, DAX itself, right? Do you need to wait for the first hour? No need. DAX, because the pre-open market is 2 p.m. So once start moving, it already have the information from this Asian market. So it will move at a start. Of course, sometimes it may be a bit flat, sideways, but you can still make some money from that. So let's go through the motion. How would you have made money yesterday through DAX? So first of all, DAX open with the diamond on it straight away, right? So you must draw a line at the closing price. Look at it, beautiful, right? This is really beautiful. When I see a chart like this, right, it's really incredible. Now, where can I short first? Now, if you're telling me, Kel, I want to short here as well, right? If I short here, you're wrong. No, you cannot short there. Can anyone tell me why you cannot short here itself? Can you tell me? Since this conversation, by the way, gold has just hit 3300, yeah? I mean, it broke MLP and didn't go above it, yeah? So don't go and chase unless you're shorting the market. Anyone can tell me why cannot short there itself? What's the reason? Anyone? Anyone? You know what? Okay, the answer is simple because the color is yellow. And the KSI at the bottom is green. The KCX at the bottom is black. So you have the buys are there, all the buy signal are there, right? So the candle you cannot buy, you cannot sell. The KSI is green, the KCX is black, all are buying interest. So you cannot sell the market. Question, can I buy? No, of course. Why again? Because it's below OP. You see? Okay, got an idea now? So there are a lot of permutation, yes, in the Crazii system, not just one or two. But if you put them all together itself, you can actually see the same thing. All right. So when the market rebounded from here and rebounded to this point, hit the OPR, that is where I got very excited already. Okay. So I waited and I saw the price come down. I saw the KSI turning red. Okay. Then I see the price going up. Wow, but the KSI stay red. Okay, that's it. I know that we have a sell already. Huh? Why? Because you see the price went up, but the KSI stays red. So what should happen is if the market goes above the OP, fine, you'll go higher, right? That's what it should happen. But if the market hit the line and pull back, recover to the OP line, but the KSI is red, I can basically tell myself this could be a fake. So once the market goes below the line and turn red color, that's it. You just have to sell already. Okay? So wait for it to retest for KSI turn red and K turn blue. Yeah, correct. Exactly, Dennis. Well done. I think this time around, you got a chance for the competition already. Okay, all clear now. Do you understand this? If you understand this, press number 5 right now. Today, I spent a bit more time on this deck showing because we are preparing you for the competition. Someone asked me, Kel, should I join? I want to, but not allowed. Yeah, I asked Ames, can I join? Bring a persona, maybe. Yeah, maybe I will still lose to you all. So busy already. Okay, yeah, got it. Number 5, excellent. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so what happened now next? The market really come down. Where take TP? Of course, you must take TP at all the available line on your screen. And perfect, right? Oh my goodness. You see KTR, you see the first wave come down to KTR. The second wave come down to MLP. The third wave come down to KTR -2 and almost perfectly landed there itself. Seriously, where got such system in the market that whereby it gives you a technical level to trade and a technical level for you to basically buy back at the low level or the right level? This is crazy, guys. I mean, I've not seen such a system before in my life. Sorry to say that. Okay, so if you don't buy back, then how? Oh, then problem no, you see the market rebound against you. Correct or not? Why? Remember the day chart is green color. The day chart is green color. You cannot take profit, or you cannot don't take profit when the day chart is green color, right? Remember that the day itself is strong, but it's bullish. So every level you must take profit. Clear? This is very, very important. All clear? If all clear, press number 6. That means if the day chart is green and you're shorting the market, take profit at every single technical level you can see from the chart. So obviously you can see if you are shorting the market, right? You can see it's KTR -1, first target, MLP, second target, KTR -2, second committed target. Of course, you say, Kel, can I put a pivot instead? Now, there's a thing that people ask me, Kel, if I shorted here and I see that the profit can go to pivot 2, can I just hold my position all the way to pivot 2? Then I can maximize my profit. Now, this is where you get a little bit, you know what, we call it a greedy law. You know what I just said. I said KSI green, take profit. So what will happen to you? Very simple, right? When the market is coming down, you are holding a profit, people take profit, you don't take, go down lower, wow, you're very happy because you're making so much profit now, and you don't take, the price come down again, wow, more profit for you, you still don't take what you stubbornly want this thing, fine. But when the market rebound to here itself, I guarantee you, where will you take profit? You take profit here, right at the top here itself. Do you believe me? How many of you say that what I say is true? If you think it's true, key the word true for me. Now, how many of you think that what I say is true? That means that people who don't take profit along the way because they aim for the pivot 2, but then when the market rebound, they surely will cut or take their profit at the top here that I mentioned. True or false? Wow, so many true. Idman, Joseph, Dennis, Louis, ACS. Yeah. Okay, that's why the day chart is very important. Yeah, the day chart is very important. Oh, go rebounded already. Yeah. Okay, then after that, there's a standard diamond over here. Then I was a bit busy already, but I did take a look. Yeah, I didn't trade. So what happened? Let's take a look. See, right? You just have to draw a line at the closing price. Now, once you draw the closing price again, you can see that the market did stay above the line. And you tell me, Kel, I went to buy here, right? Nothing wrong. You can go and buy here itself, but just remember the quantity must reduce. Why again? Kel, I thought it's yellow color, green, KCX black ma. Why must I reduce my buy? Is it because you see it that you say no? Remember, trading for us is all about numbers and formulas. It's because it was below OP. You understand my point now? So why earlier we shorted because it was below OP, right? But why we take profit fast? Because the KTR is actually bullish on the day chart. So now you're going to long the market with everything online with you, fine. But remember the OP is still on top. So you want to have a perfect alignment itself, right? You need to have everything in the same page. Then it's called perfect alignment. All right, all clear? If you understand this, press number 7 today. Yeah, very important. So then later on this video, we will do first, yeah, this particular video, revision one. Then we send it to China side. So they can learn something from here as well. Okay, we are really going international, guys. Really, no kidding you. Okay, excellent. All right, so that is what happened to go into the DAX. So once it goes below the line and start to trade with the red candle, that's it. You had to sell. You just have to sell already. So how to sell again? First TP again here, that will be the MLP, here the KTR, 2, here the pivot. So these 3 are the lines you can see and you can trade. So again, you say, Kel, why did you even put KTR -3 lay? I say again, because we are selling on a day chart that is green in color for KSI, hence therefore we'll take profit along the way. Okay, same thing as it is. All right. So after that, the market rebounded, and then we have the same thing happening again for DAX. Can you see that? So the same thing happened. If you buy, nothing wrong, buy small and try to aim at the profit level if it's possible, but you can see it didn't really happen. And then the thing just kind of repeat by itself. And again, if you had sold the market, you will have bought back some position here at the pivot 2 level. Okay, so got it? That is how we should trade for DAX and how you use the system. Then after that, we have a very interesting movement here. This is where it gets very crazy. Now, there's a stacked diamond. A student of mine contacted me and said, Kel, got stacked diamond, right? You're going to buy big, right? I said, no. I said, why? Stacked diamond doesn't mean that you buy big, or buy very big, or expect the market to fly to the sky. No. Stacked diamonds means by default, this particular symbol tell us that if the market stays above it, it will go up a lot. But at the same time, if you stay below it itself, it will sell a lot. That is the reason why it's a stacked diamond. Why? Because blue diamond is supposed to be a base level, right? 4 diamond is supposed to be a stacked level, meaning add-on position. So if you have a blue diamond and a 4 diamond together, by right, the market should be very strong on upside. But vice versa, it can be the opposite at the same time. So that is the reason why I told you guys that if this actually happens, you need to actually sell the market. So let's say you buy small here itself. Good, you follow the rule. But once the market goes down, you should sell already, right? And the beautiful part is that you look at it, guys, it purposely come up and test the line and pull back again. This is a confirmed heavy sell signal, which I did that. I did a heavier sell over here, and I sold it down all the way until this candle. Now, under this candle, a student of mine says, "Hell, wow, market recover very strongly. What it means they're going to go up soon." I said that as long as the trigger stop loss is not done, then don't need to bother. So when I shorted here itself, right, the stop loss obviously is a red candle, so then the high is the stop loss for me. Okay, if you cannot remember why stop loss is there, so watch the video that we have for you. Yeah. Okay, so after that, eventually it pulls back down nicely and create a BNB, which I don't care. Then after that, it's to go down further and hit my first TP level at this KTR -3. Now, why is it the first KTR level? Because I feel that it may be going down further, but there's no more KTR for me to use, right? So nothing much I can do. But of course, what you can do next, so you can do the very traditional way. You can just screenshot, make a chart smaller. Okay, and then you see on the left side, is there anything that you can utilize? So you can see that when the market was when I was shorting here itself, right? I look at the left side. I can see that there's nothing much I can do until here. It seems to be a decent stop loss. So I place my TP level all the way to here itself. Got it? Okay. So that's how you do it. There's no more indicator for you. You can use like the 5-minute chart and find the previous low or cycle low for you to use it, right? That's how you do it. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so after that itself, the market came down, we make another round of profit, and then after that, we have the diamond again. And this time around, okay, I look at the KSI, all green, all good. So I let the market drop. Okay, so what you see over here, the market got recover a bit. But about an hour later, the price coming down, and then my friends say cut loss really low because they really think that it's going to go down. Okay, nothing wrong. It's all correct at that point until the later part itself, we saw this happen, right? there's a 2 diamond in the market. So 4 diamond and 2 diamond all come together. So what does it mean? Yesterday in the volume video I said it's because that means that there could be a big movement coming in and both diamond appear. So that means a very big movement should be coming in. So we draw the line according to plan, and that's how the thing went. So once the market stabilized, you can see how the market went up for this. All right, so that is how the DAX being traded yesterday. All right, for traders to watch out for. Okay, so now I just saw the gold again pull back down to below 3300. Now bounce back again. All right, interesting. And that will be all for the DAX trading. All right, so guys, please go through what I shared on DAX itself. And remember I talked about the day chart comparison with the intraday and try to mimic together and try to put it together. Well, over the weekend, I'll do something for you guys to, for all that. All right. Before we go, I promised you that you see the gold BNB. Yeah, I just not forgot my bet. Okay, so this is a gold BNB. You can see that there's new BNB in the market. And now you have the new numbers. So the numbers is 3331. Oh, same level. Okay, so basically means that if everything all goes well, 3331 is a very critical level for the market to break above it. If you want to have the further upside, you must have this number 3331 and it must stays above it. Then we can see it going towards the next level, which is the 3416 already. Oh, that's a lot of difference, yeah. So that is about 70, 85, $86 different. Wow, that's a lot of money. So if you capture this as one contract will worth about $860 to as much as $8,600, all depending on your trading size. Okay, all right, that'll be all for today. Thank you very much. I will see you guys online later. Thank you. Bye-bye.